Welcome to a new series, Chainsaw Man, episode 1. Dog and Chainsaw.
Listen, guys, it's been out for 3 years. I've obviously seen clips of characters. That's all I know. I don't know anything that happens lore-wise. I don't know jack sh.
Yeah, I've read the manga, but I forgot most of it. I'm not gonna lie.
Refresher to him, for me, new. When's the movie coming out?
It should be out in Japan.
Without further ado, let die, don't. I remember seeing this in that one, the opening
Oh,
thing that we did.
first scene.
I guess, yeah, guess the first scene in like 5 seconds. It's been a while since we watched some Mappa animated.
I'm pretty mellowed down as I watch Fragrance Flower.
Going to this after watching Fragrant Flower is crazy. Is he homeless?
Is it super dope?
Oh, it's gonna be dubbed, I think.
Better get to work.
Because I remember in the Spanish one, I remember that one clip there, like, and he's like,
Oh yeah, she starts moaning, yeah.
Like, what the fuck?
仕事行くか。
Yeah, there you go. Doggy.
Time to go to work, right? That's what he said.
月収6万だろ ?120 万。
Then there's a kidney I sold for 1 million.
30
Damn.
玉片方売って。
Oh, wait, look.
いくらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
He sold his eye, he sold his kidney, he sold a ball. And you're still in debt?
Wait, how?
ポチタ
Pochita!
さっさと殺しちまうか悪魔を1体殺せば
That devil is usually good for about 300k. Oh my god! Did this tail activate as something though? That's fucking sick.
Have we seen the opening?
No. Matter of fact, it's kickback. But I've never listened to it fully. No, because all I know is that I think it's every ending, it changes.
Power! Wait, what?
He has a right eye, bro. What the f? You said you sold it. What the fuck was that? And I always see people always doing that dance on Instagram, bro.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね
Wait, so that means this dude heals then? How though? I don't know.
よくやったデイジー。最後俺は
This
相
card
当
can
い
be a
い
fair
んだ。
price on it. How much did he owe again?
40万。
38 million or
Something like that.
調整
Yeah.
費。
Yeah.
その他もろもろ。
so it doesn't even leave him with the much,
Motherfucker,
right?
they're scamming your ass.
代を払って他のとこにしてる借不思議だな
Pochita!
残り1800円になった今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけ
Now I gotta figure this out. Why is he in debt? He rented Pochita and he stole it. I don't know.
It's the same dude.
Hey, that's
isn't
this
it?
guy, yeah.
デビルハンターに雇った
Why
ん
hire
で
a
す
brand like that to hunt devils?
俺たちにしている借金を返させて。
Paying off for what he owes us.
あいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
His deadbeat old man. Oh!
ちゃんとしたデビルハンターはな、俺たちヤクザに悪魔
They
の
don't
死
pass
体
the
流
devil
しちゃ
carcasses
くれ
onto
ね
the
え
devil.
ぞ。それにデンジのいいとこは逆らわねえとこだ。
So he does what he's told. So he's like a dog.
Ain't no way.
おい犬
このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか
That's
いただきます
Bro, he's broke.
あ
じゃあ悪魔が出たらよ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
What the fuck did his dad do then? Bro, those the questions I have. He fooled his ass.
これで3日は食えるねパンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜまあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし
Sharing one piece of bread is crazy.
死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうなデートする金もね
Bro, you don't even know how old he is.
That's true.
叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな
That man looks like he's like 18, honestly. 18 to 20.
That's
Oh
okay.
shit. Backstory?
That is pop?
Yeah, it should be.
でも腹は
Hung himself without paying this.
物乞いするなり体売るなりして
ちょ
明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をバラしてやる。
No, wait.
Bro, he's just like a Pokemon.
A wild Pochita appeared.
俺を殺すなら殺せよどうせ死ぬんだ
Oh no.
お前も死ぬのか
血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある
It
死に
heals.
たくないなら噛め俺の血はただじゃねえ俺は契約だお前を助けてやる
Go
か
help me.
俺を助けろやっぱ俺も死にたくね
What the hell is that?
Don't tell me that's his food.
Oh, when
Oh, he killed
started.
it.
え俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか
They're like a stuffed animal,
腹減
bro.
って眠れねえ寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ 決めた。今日寝たら見る夢、食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Type shit, bro.
いいだろ。
Hello?
Oh, what? It's up. That's blood.
Why are you coughing blood?
Is he dying? Does he have sickness?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて
Heart
死んだ
disease
んだ
that made her cough out blood.
デンジ悪魔が
Bruh.
仕事だぞ。
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
Bro, that's fucked up, bro. He didn't do shit.
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
Oh, hell no. Why they're luring him in?
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね？あ、
Like he's only Pochita like that. Well, what's stopping me from chopping you down? What if you're the devil, bro? So goofy.
デンジ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだ。
Bro, nah, hell nah.
Set him up,
犬み
bro.
てに従順だし、犬みてに安い報酬で働いてくれる。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Whoa,
You a
what?
bitch. Bro, no way you stabbed him.
What the hell is that?
He stabbed Pochita as well. That's a katana. Oh, what the fuck?
もっと強くなって稼ぎ
What
て
the hell is that?
てめえみてに悪魔と契約すること
We made a deal with the devil. I was right. He is a devil now.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔。
僕が望むのはデビルハンター。シー
They're fucking zombies, dog.
マジこいつらバカだよ。悪魔の力上げるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。ゾンビの悪魔だか
I'm a zombie devil.
ら。みんなそいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃった。
Pochita!
How is he still walking?
Oh, that adrenaline's got him going, bro. Pochita! Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, fuck. Oh! Oh!
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Bruh. They put him in a dump.
Oh, what?
Oh my. Hey, but he's dead. Pochita.
Oh.
仕事に行くぜ。ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれねえ。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいる
Or
ら
some
しい。
devils can take over devils.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体を
Oh
ポチタに
shit, no way he can do
仇う
that.
ことだったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい。
Dang.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh no way, bruh. It's reconstructing his bruh. Oh my.
ポチタ俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Oh, that was in his mind with Pochita.
傷が
Like everything.
He's got the fucking thing to fucking. There's no more Pochita.
バラバラにしても生きてんの。
I am the chainsaw.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのに俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて
Pochita's so fucking cute, bro.
Why do you think he's so sellable?
みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。
Bro, the way I just go ruthless against this fucking zombie devil, bro. I just kill the fuck out that bitch.
まずいなら
Oh my god. Oh!
Wait, are they actually ripping?
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Yeah, you hear it very faintly.
Ah, there you go. Give us some gas.
Oh!
I like how you just start to CG. fucking cool, bro. Damn! Man, chop that. Man, kill that bitch. Ow. Oh, but he has a metalhead, no? Yeah. Oh! What happens if he accidentally hits himself?
I don't know actually.
Damn! Ow!
Oh!
I mean, your leader's dead, so...
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだね。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪
Oh yeah, that old guy should be here, right?
Yeah.
Man, kill his ass! Fuck him!
Yeah, there he is.
Get his ass! Nah, I feel him. I mean, I don't feel him, but...
You get it?
I mean, yeah, bro. Like, literally, that... Of course he'll go ape shit, because he doesn't have to owe a damn thing now.
Freedom. Who's that? I forgot the old dude's car jacket.
Oh, yeah, we can't jack it. All we need is gas until it breaks down. Oh, it's the chick! Wait, they were the Yakuza, right?
The old dude?
Yeah,
and
old
people?
dude,
Yeah,
yeah.
they were Yakuza.
Or they give stuff to the Yakuza? I don't remember.
Oh shit.
生きてるのか今
I am half
Actually.
devil. I still human. How do you go back to normal? No, because if he pulls it, that pulls... I don't know.
Is he gonna be fine?
君変わった匂いがするね。でも悪魔でもない匂い。
Not a human or a devil.
これ君がやったの？
Oh.
だかす
Oh.
Wait, so he goes back by getting hugged?
人だ。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Ah, no damn Yakuza
君
hired
の選
one.
択肢は2つ。
Get killed here.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われる
Or
か。
I keep you as a human.
飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Thank you, ma'am.
Second option.
I will be your dog.
Bro. You gonna get back?
朝飯はどんな
Oh, facts, bro. He only ate bread.
Oh yeah.
パンにバターとジャムな
With jam!
Salad, coffee,
Jam!
coffee,
Jam!
dessert.
Ma'am, I belong
Honestly,
to
yes.
you now.
Yes.
最高じゃないですか
Yes.
I was not expecting it to go like this.
So what do you think about the Yakuza? What do you think about Yakuza?
I'll listen to it after, whatever. What?
The old dude with the Yakuza, what about him?
Is he a part of the Yakuza? Is he related or is he a part of it? Oh, no, he's not. He probably is a part of the Yakuza, but like a link or a branch to them. That means the dad owed something to the Yakuza, and then the Yakuza sent this man to be the one to get the money from him.
Either way, he's been getting scammed, bro. Since a kid.
He couldn't grieve, bruh. As soon as his dad died, he said, hey, yo, bruh, just letting you know, you owe us fucking money. Like, what the fuck? So there might be some Yakuza that still want him, though. But at least we got ma'am. Yay. And this man's probably trying so hard not to reveal things.
I love her so much.
This is true, everyone.
Yes.
So you tell me that I'm gonna be a dog.
We can all be dogs. Can't wait for next episode. Holy shit, that looked great. I didn't think it would be that fucking bloody though. I thought they would censor it a lot.
But that's
Yeah.
cool though. His chainsaw in form.
I liked it that they put like the blood to Pochita, if you saw it, remember? When they was cut in half and you're like, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cause I never, you know, I'm a professional dumbass, so I never got it.
This is P and he's an official dog.
Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts about this first episode. If you watched it before or read the manga, you spoil it, fuck you.
I'm a virgin to this series.
He's a virgin.